guys, I've become a pet. I've become a dog. Well, there's only one thing we can do. And that is go to the pet. I want to get that shit. That has the tiger cat thing. I don't know any of these people, by the way. Oh, look at this. Oh, what? Twin? What are you doing here? But don't walk away from me. Fucking same. They're the same species. We're the same species. Even he's confused. We're the same cats. Who the fuck is Canoa? Oh, I'm not paying for healing. I can play with a ball. If you're a cat, you can break into this. Shut up, Slice. Yeah, I know who he is. He's an aggressive dog, right? Because of you. I don't think so. Deadly shelter? What is the deadly shelter? Oh no. Sounds like a bad place to me. I guess it is a bad place. It has deadly in its name. Just eating all the health resources. A trucker lad! Someone is adopted! Someone's getting adopted! It better be me. Because I'm not waiting. Ow. Oh my god! Let me connect you. Yellow and gold. You look younger. You look younger. What the hell? Candy! Better not eat the chocolate. Just. I don't care who these people are harmed. Me! It's me! Yes, it's me, it's me. It's easy to train. Nah, I eat toilet. I drink toilet water. Oh, we don't have enough time? Oh, fuck. Oh, no, no. I don't know what I can replace words with. Time to go home. We only adopted 4 of us. Yeah. No, candy store, yeah. No place where we can get candy. I don't think I have this ending yet. I'm probably gonna die because I died last time I tried completing this. Where are we? I don't like this. Free candy for a pet? Oh, hell yeah. Look, there's free candy for us. But not free candy for the adults. Oh, football. I didn't like that. Please don't kill us. I'm not eating that candy anymore, sorry. Oh, that's good. I forgot money in the car. These are free. I'm feeling a little bit dizzy. Why did I take them? Stay there. Why does something bad always happen? I've seen this house before. The chest. I need the chest. Oh, bite enemies. How do you bite them? I forgot the controls to this game. Okay, digging for it. I don't want to dig, I want to go around and collecting these. Let's do it tomorrow. I accidentally pushed it. Fucking shit! I just summoned a zombie! I'm sorry because I just accidentally opened up for a zombie. The thing is, I forgot how to fight. How much fucking Don't attack my friend! Don't attack my friend, Lord! Yeah! I'm standing on top of you fighting me. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? Yeah, I'm gonna do it so that you can live for a second. You gas fire! Bro doesn't even get to damage anything before he dies. Holy shit. Why isn't the AI doing any work, huh? All you gotta do is just do this. Do anything. What? Doing it so quick. Oh, that's all we even checked. Okay. Let's do it tomorrow. Oh, this one hasn't been digged yet. worked, guys. We found it. I found it. Skeleton's going. Sorry, we just wanted to go to the house. Because we were forced to by the game. I didn't want to be. I'm gonna get out. Now that I'm out of the game. Bling bling bling. Got that bling bling sound and then oh, can I turn into Skelly Dog too? I also want to become Skelly. I must collect it all. Oh wait, there's still more. Holy shit. Hi. I'm the only person, by the way. Big gate in the front. Oh yes! It's in the basement. I don't like about the base. I don't like the thing about the basement. No. No. No one can enter the basement. Isn't that the guy from the candy shop? Oh, come on. Wake up, Mr. Whiskey. I can see that. It's yes. There are some candies. I'll let you know. Oh, candy? You collected a lot of that now. Yum yum. Delicious candy. I'm gonna bring you all chocolate. Oh, candy corn. Right. Right. I also think there's one behind here. Right. God damn, they're fat. Why do they eat so much? All this candy is more than my normal intake. More than 50. Can you put the Ender Dragon or something and then let it rot in its room? Oh yeah, I forgot, I'm the only fucking one. Fuck. Oh my god, this sucks. Yeah, I don't want to be doing alone. I don't like playing alone. Because you have to do all the work yourself. Yeah, that's actually really annoying. There's two in here. Fully heal all. I wish I could do that because I'm actually pretty low. Is there anything on the basement? Yes. See, that's the same thing I was about to say. Huh, true. But he will pull your bones apart, probably. Yes, thank you for letting us into the basement. You coming? was just up into his bed. What do you mean? What do you mean become a part of your... What if I have a choice and I defeat you? Turn into bone! No. I want to just beat your ass. Don't follow me with those. Ow. Oh shit. You killed half of your army not long ago. I hope you're fine with that. Stop resisting! Ow! Stop throwing your slime at me! Stop it! I don't like it! Ow! I didn't even touch them! Okay, now he's doing that again. Get it over with. Stop resisting. Oh, you're not even hitting me. I'm literally behind you. Stop it! Stupid! Ow! I have to eat. I have to eat. To eat. No. Eating is good. Give me some of that food over there. Make sure you suffer. Ow! Ow! You're not even hitting me! Stop pretending like you're hitting me. Is that person not going to do anything? That's gay. No!